Hey guys! Today I have all these boxes with me that I wanted to unbox with you. So here we go. So this first one is from a company called Decorative. Let's see what they have here. Okay, so these seem to be the hanging planters. First thing I must mention is just look at the packaging. There are no bubble wraps and they have used these cotton bags to wrap the products. So here we have a hanging planter. I love the design of it. And the best thing is that it's all bamboo. So I guess you put a pot here. There might be a pot in this. It looks like a nest. I've always been very amazed at nests, just like extra information. Wow! Okay, this is going to be a lot of cleaning work for me. Look at this pot. It's terracotta, mitti, and this is black in color. Wow, very nice. This looks like a different size. I am so excited to open these. This is one more, a smaller size. I love the packaging. Seriously, I'm so glad. I hope all these companies on Amazon are watching this. They use so much bubble wrap, right? Even for like a small box of cream, you would get a lot of bubble wrap all around it in a big box. I love this packaging. Alright, so there's one more thing. It's a terracotta pot. Ooh, this one I saw on the website. It's really cool. I really liked it. Just look at it. Isn't it nice? I think it's very simple and it's very elegant. Okay, so I have all the 4 of these outside. I checked the price of these. The bigger ones are for about $7.99, I think. The smaller ones are for $5.99, these hanging ones. This one here is for $3.49. I think it's really cute for the desk. And this one here, the hanging one, is for $3.99 or 400 rupees. My take on them, well, for the design, I really like them. And also they're not really plastic. They look really classy, kept anywhere. You can put some falling plants or you can just keep them on the desk. As for the price, I think they're also priced pretty decently. I would give them a thumbs up. I like them and I'm going to move on to the next box. Alright, so let's move on to the second box. The second box is from a place called Pournami. They have just started out. They contacted me and told me that the best thing about their products is, apart from being stylish and you could keep them from interiors, the best thing is that they do well even in watery conditions. So this is basically plant furniture. This might need some setting up. Okay. Yay! That's a very smart design, I must say. It just slides. Okay, so here we have this 3 levels tagged shelves to keep the plants. Alright, so let me open the next box from them. Okay, so it's a shelf where you could keep plants here on these two tops. It can be hung using these two hooks. It could also be used as a key holder. It has these very elegant looking hooks for holding keys or anything that we can hang. I think the pots could be kept here. There's plenty of space. I guess it's a great idea for indoor spaces because in hallways you can keep low light indoor plants. I've actually done a video on low light indoor plants. So if you keep this inside, there might not be a lot of light, especially for instance outside a bathroom. So you can place a couple of low light indoor plants and this will look really nice. For the price, I think they're not bad considering that they're wooden frames and they look really nice indoors, especially for, you know, we have smaller houses, we don't have a terrace garden. So I think they complement the space quite well. Okay, moving on to the fourth box. This is from a plant company, Succulent Factory. Now, a lot of you say that succulents are very expensive, and I agree, especially online, succulents are very expensive. For all of you, you must check out this company. In fact, I have been wanting to visit their shop in Bangalore, and when they contacted, I was really happy because I want to actually check out their plants. The good thing about them is that they're much cheaper than most of the online resources. Most of their plants, only if I can get to open this, most of their plants are priced between 100 to 150 rupees. Isn't that cool? So they come wrapped in the newspaper. I don't have the names of these. I'll try and find out the names. They come secured in these tissue paper. And this box has been here for about 2 days and it has been in transit for about 3 days, I think. So it has fairly done well. The plants look in good shape. I was actually a little worried about them because I couldn't get around to open these boxes and I was scared that the plants will start wilting, but they all seem to be in good shape. This one is a cactus. I don't know the name of it. I'm not sure if I can touch it, but it looks really cute. This is sort of string of pearls. It's not really string of pearls, and I highly recommend this plant to people who keep killing string of pearls. Like me, I keep killing string of pearls and I've managed to kill almost all string of pearls that I've ever had. So if you want a hanging succulent, this one is great. Let's see what we have here. Alright, so I have all the succulents open. As for the price, I already told you there's price between 100 to 150. I think that's really cheap considering the succulents are so expensive online. The only thing is that you will have to prepare soil, and I will put a link to my video up somewhere where I've tried explaining a simplest way of preparing soil for succulents at home. As for caring for them, I've also done a video. They're very simple to care for. They look really pretty. All that they need is 3 to 4 hours of sunlight, and don't water them too much. A lot of people say my succulent is dying, and the first question I ask is, have you been watering it too much? So just keep a check on watering your succulents and they'll do fine. As for the boxes, that's all I had to open today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.